Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to get deleted messages on WhatsApp. First, go to your WhatsApp. Then go to the chat in which you have some deleted messages. As you can see, my friend has deleted some messages in this chat. Now go back and open the Play Store. Search for What's Delete. Open this app and download it on your mobile device. Once it is installed, open this app. Go ahead and allow it access permission in order to continue. Also, you'll need to allow it to access WhatsApp. Here are the complete details of how it works. Now this app has been connected to your WhatsApp. Whenever someone will delete a message, you'll be able to see it. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.